Hi guys, today's video we're going to check out the 5 best electric nail gun on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. Aliexpress 404J Electric Nail Gun. The Aliexpress 404J Electric Nail Gun is a versatile and efficient tool for home DE projects. It offers multiple models including 404J, 422J, 1004J, 1022J, and F10 F30 to suit different needs and preferences. The electric power source ensures consistent performance and eliminates the need for gas or air compressors, making it a convenient choice for quick and efficient nailing. The Aliexpress 404J is RoHS certified, ensuring compliance with safety and environmental standards. The customizable nail gun allows users to adjust it according to their specific project needs, ensuring precise and professional results. The brand reliability of Aliexpress is evident in its durability and reliability for various home improvement tasks. The electric power source simplifies operation, making it suitable for a wide array of DE tasks. The customizable nail gun ensures precision and versatility, while the RoHS certification guarantees compliance with safety and environmental standards. Number 4. Heimerdinger LB209 Electric Nail Gun. The Heimerdinger LB209 Electric Nail Gun is a reliable and efficient tool for commercial use. It is powered by electricity, eliminating the need for air compressors or gas canisters. The LB209 is versatile, capable of handling heavy-duty tasks like framing and sheathing. It has a high capacity of F59,040ths, accommodating various nail sizes. The tool offers customizable features, enhancing productivity and suitability to unique projects. The LB209 is manufactured in mainland China, ensuring durability and reliability. The brand is associated with quality and innovation, and the LB209 continues this tradition by combining advanced technology with practical features for an exceptional user experience. Number 3. XMSJ Electric Nail Gun. The XMSJ Electric Nail Gun is a reliable and efficient tool for home improvement projects. Its high-quality build, made from a blend of plastic, metal, and rubber, offers durability and a comfortable grip. The blue stapler color adds a contemporary touch. The gun can hold up to 1,000 fasteners, reducing downtime and allowing for larger projects. It is safe and chemical-free, making it suitable for both professional and DE use. The modern design enhances user comfort and reduces fatigue. The gun is proudly made in the USA, demonstrating high standards of quality and craftsmanship. This makes it an excellent choice for those seeking a reliable and efficient nail gun. Number 2. Onavan Electric Nail Gun. The Onavan Electric Nail Gun is a reliable tool for home DE projects, offering functionality, safety, and ease of use. It operates on electricity, providing consistent and powerful performance without the hassle of batteries or pneumatic tools. Designed for framing, molding, and finishing work, it is user-friendly and suitable for both novice and experienced crafters. The nail gun is a finish type, delivering nails without damaging the surface, making it ideal for neat professional finishing. C certification ensures it meets European safety and environmental protection standards. Made in mainland China, it is made from high-quality production standards and efficient engineering. The Onavan Electric Nail Gun's safety feature is its lack of high-concern chemicals, making it a safer option for the home environment. This tool is ideal for those who value precision and ease of use, and its C certification ensures its quality and safety standards. Number 1. ZJM ZYM GSR40 Electric Nail Gun. The ZJM ZYM GSR40 Electric Nail Gun is a versatile tool for DE enthusiasts and professionals. Its pneumatic power source delivers impressive performance, operating at 120 nails per minute. Its high-capacity nail delivery system allows for up to 30 nails in a single load, making it ideal for extensive tasks without frequent reloads. The GSR40 is versatile, suitable for various home DE projects, such as fixing door frames, billboards, and billboard work. It operates on a 7.2 V working voltage and is compatible with 110 to 220 V charger voltages, making it cost-effective for extended use. The compact and lightweight design ensures user comfort and durability. Although not certified, the GSR40's design and functionality reflect high standards of quality and safety with no high-concern chemicals, making it suitable for various home improvement tasks. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.